Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I got my coffee. I've had quite a bit of coffee because I have been up early this morning. And so I'm running on caffeine right now. So blah, 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 that's the way I feel. I am just really live this morning. Anyway, I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, a Mother's Day weekend. I hope it was all blessed and you had an enjoyable time. If you're moms. And so I had a weird weekend, kind of. I wasn't feeling well Saturday. As most of you know, when I did my little God Bites video, I promised I would have that up on Saturday, and I did it. But I slept in Saturday morning because I didn't feel well, and I kind of rushed through my little project, and I hope everybody understood what I was doing. But I just didn't feel real well, so I didn't do a whole lot Saturday. Other than the God Bites, I did not craft or anything Saturday. And then, of course, Sunday I had church, and then my lovely daughter and her husband and her sister-in-law, they got together and planned a Mother's Day brunch for his mom and myself and his grandmother. And so they fixed dinner for us, and it was really, really nice. And they, even though she's a mom, I feel kind of like they got cheated a little bit, but their husbands took them out separately for Mother's Day. So, yeah. So anyway, I thought I would share what I got for Mother's Day. My daughter said, "Mom, I never see you walk out of the house or in the house or anywhere with a coffee mug or something in your hand." And so I had seen hers like this, and I really, really liked it. But they bought me a Swig mug. And this is pretty cool. It's stainless steel insulated. It's BPA free. And it's really neat because it says it keeps cold drinks up to 12 hours and hot up to 9 hours. So it's really cool. It's got this, she left the price tag on the bottom of it. Ooh, God, that's so expensive. Okay. She bought me a $30 mug. Are you out of your mind, Ashley? Anyway, it's really cool though. And the lid, man, it's got this silicone grippy thing on it. I'm not sponsored by them. This is a really cool coffee mug. And it's even got this little thing inside of it to register your Swig mug so you can activate your warranty and all that kind of stuff. It shows you how to work it and all that and what you need to do. So I was really happy to receive this. It was a really nice gift. I don't know that I would have paid $30 for a coffee mug, but I'm really appreciative of it. And then she gave me this little bracelet. It says happiness is where the shells are, which is the beach, because she knows I love the beach. She she had a busy weekend this weekend. One of her best friends from high school is getting married, and she was having a bridal shower this weekend, so she drove from her home like 4.5 hours to the beach on Friday evening, had the shower on Saturday, turned around and drove back home Saturday afternoon. So, yeah. So that they could do their Mother's Day surprise. So that was really sweet of them. And I had a beautiful day with my daughter and my grandchildren. And it's always a wonderful feeling when I walk in the door and both of my grandkids saying, "Mima," and they come run and jump in your arms. It's just really cool. So yeah, that's where my weekend was done. So, excuse me. Anyway, so this week, what is on taps this week? So, I did get some crafting done on Sunday afternoon when I got home. Of course, I was so full, girl. I had to take a nap. I took a little snooze. And then I got up and did some stuff. But I have a little Dollar Tree haul for you with some new little items in it on Tuesday. And then I have a little DIY for you Tuesday as well, if it works out. we'll see. It's drying right now. We'll see how it works out. But as I've told you all, I'm remodeling my house or redecorating my house. There's not much I can remodel per se in an apartment because they don't like me knocking out walls and stuff like that. Trust me, if I could, I would. But so I'm just kind of doing some different things, and I'm sort of taking my time doing it. And but I'm hopefully my master bathroom will be done this week, and if it is, you'll get to see, you'll get the first look. But so Tuesday I do have a little Dollar Tree home and DIY for you. Wednesday, I don't really have anything per se. I am going to put up a crafty sale this week. I don't know what day it's going to be on yet, but I am going to do that. Thursday, I have the card that I was going to be doing last week. It will be on this Thursday, and then for Thursday Night Live, we'll be doing some other cards Thursday Night Live. So I hope you will come and join me for that at 7:15 Thursday night. We have a really good time. We get in some really good conversations. They go all over the place. You never know what we talk about. And then Friday, of course, I have my Keto Living. And I also have some new videos up on my Keto Journey channel, my other channel. And I appreciate all those who have gone over and subscribed to that channel. And if you haven't done so, please do so. You will see some new videos this week. I just really want to sort of transfer some of my stuff over there and try to build that channel a little bit as well. So that's about it for the week. But I'm excited for the little things I found at Dollar Tree, and I hope you will be too. Some of my stuff has to do with my redecorating, I should say, not remodeling. But anyway, so that's pretty much how the week is running. There may be a surprise or two during the week. You just never know with me. But I'm learning not to promise anything I can't deliver. I'm trying to get better. You guys know my middle name is Late, and but I'm trying to get better at it. So just want to say thank you to all of you who have been supporting my channel. It really means the world to me, and I hope you will continue supporting me on my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to tie up your morning this morning, and just kind of real simple, quick, and easy like. So I'm going to say goodbye right now, and I will see you all again soon. If this is your first time joining me, please make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there, and make sure you tap the bell, and make sure it's giving it a hug. That way you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.